Xiaomi's latest kitchen gadget unveiled in China is the Mijia Cooking Robot. The device can cook 3 different dishes simultaneously and offers up to 35 cooking options. The new gadget seems to be a great kitchen appliance with multiple functionalities and impressive features. Xiaomi has a wide variety of products for the home. Among these we find the new Xiaomi Mijia Cooking Robot food processor equipped with a large color screen and hundreds of smart recipes. The new Xiaomi Mijia Cooking Robot becomes the company's first kitchen robot. Your goal will be to compete against the more than recognized Thermomix. Of course, at a cheaper price, and with some of the most interesting features. The smart cooking pot has a maximum heating temperature of 180 degrees Celsius and a 2.2-liter capacity. It can cook as little as 1 gram of food and has an integrated 8-inch touchscreen that shows over 200 recipes and tutorials. It uses 3D induction heat technology to deliver fast and uniform cooking always. The Mijia Cooking Robot uses cooking IoT algorithms to control the cooking process, and OTA updates will be available for improvement. It also offers a wide range of resolution speeds between 40 RPM and 12,000 RPM for different cooking tasks. The variety of cooking options includes grinding, stir-frying, low heating, and much more. The cooking robot can be controlled with Xiao AI voice commands and weighs 10 kilograms. It has a dimension of 16.3 by 12.4 by 13.5 inches, and its pre-order stock seems already sold out in China. The pre-order price of the Mijia Cooking Robot is 5,999 yuan or $865. Its original price is 6,999 yuan or $1,005, and global availability details are lacking at this time. The early feedback from the market shows that the Mijia Cooking Robot has had a great reception in the Chinese market. What do you think about this gadget? Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.